Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Herald token. Now Herald is a duck meme, Herald the duck, and he is on the Solana blockchain and he is doing very well. Right now he's trending number 16 on Dex Screener. They have a huge market cap, $45.4 million market cap. This is a very popular token. And we're going to go over the Herald token, how you can get it, and we're going to look at if there's any security issues, maybe any warnings, red flags, things like that, that we should be concerned about before even thinking about getting this token here. We're going to check all that out here in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token here is on the Solana blockchain. You can find their webpage at heraldtheduck.com. Real easy to find that. If you go over to their webpage, in the top right-hand corner, they have a link to their Telegram. They have a link to their Dex Screener chart where you can see how the token is doing. It says, yes, I'm a duck, get over it. So they have a roadmap on here, and it says, insert the most insane, unrealistic roadmap that doesn't end up happening here. And then it says, where and how to buy, and it says, Google it, noob. And then it says, get ducked. and then it has a phone number. There's a phone number and a contact email at the bottom of their webpage, and then it says headquarters, your mom's house. So obviously the team is not doxed here. It's kind of crazy they just have a phone number. I'm not even going to attempt. It's a fake phone number. I just realized too. Forget about what I just said about the phone number. It is area code 696-420-6969. And then, hopefully the contact email is correct, but it says don't fade the @duck.com is their contact email. So definitely all about the memes. It also just says sup on their page, and then it has a picture of Herald the duck. The duck actually looks pretty scary. It looks like a horror movie duck or something, like he's going to peck your, like you just woke up and the duck's like right in your face about to like peck your eyes out or something. Herald the duck is kind of scary looking. So they have a Twitter you could join, and they have a Telegram you could join. The Telegram is just kind of a weird gobbledygook address, and their Twitter at @HeraldTheDuck_. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there, and it says yes, I'm a duck, get over it. Then it has a link to their Telegram. So if you go to their Telegram, they have 788 members. 170 of them are online. You could join the group. It says Quack, and that is a great place to talk to other community members about this project, ask questions, see what other people have to say about it, and see updates and things like that. As well as their Twitter is another great place to see updates. Brand new token, just joined February 2024 on Twitter. Has a link to their Dex Screener chart, heraldtheduck.com. All the links basically are right on this Twitter right here. 1,684 followers, 329 tweets so far, and then of course all of them are going to be, well, not all of them, but most of them are going to be just memes, right? Because this is a meme token, and the way meme tokens advertise on socials is they post hilarious memes, and then people laugh and then click on things. And yeah, so that's why there's that Elon Musk quote, whoever controls the memes controls the world. You got to find a good meme here. So they're actually up 690% in the past 24 hours. So the first security thing we can look at here is they have a liquidity lock. So you can see on Deck Screener, they're actually still trending number 16 on Deck Screener. They have $630,000 in liquidity locked on RAYDIUM. So only 77.57% of the liquidity is locked. So keep that in mind. And 77.57% of the liquidity is burnt. And I'm going to put that up here somewhere so you can see what I'm talking about. $43.8 million market cap. Very big market cap. That is also their FDV. On Deck Screener, you could also find their Telegram, Twitter, website. They have $30.7 million in trading volume today, doing very well today. The pair on RAYDIUM was actually created 22 days ago, so it's created within the last month. This token is not brand new, but it's fairly new. And so if you were interested in getting this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you would get like a Phantom wallet or a Solflare wallet and fund that wallet with Sol. Then you would go into the depths, find RAYDIUM, and then trade your Sol for the Herald token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, heraldtheduck.xyz. Now, it doesn't say anything about taxes. I'm not sure if there is taxes. You may have to set slippage. It says 9 decimal places on this token. Looks like they started out maybe with a total supply of around 1 billion. And right now their max or their current total supply is 986,022,474.42 tokens according to their Sol scan. So lastly, on Dex Tools, if you look this token up on Dex Tools, you can see a quick audit. So that's the only other security feature I could find here besides their liquidity lock. It says they have 4,080 holders so far, so they're doing pretty good holder-wise. They have a DEX score of 82 out of 99, and they lost a lot of points for information because there's not a lot of information on their webpage, very much just a meme coin that tells you to go duck yourself. And then they have a community trust score of 100%, and that's only out of 6 votes, though. But they have a quick Intel security audit, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, taxes not modifiable, and it also says no other risks. So keep in mind, though, that is just a quick audit. It is not a full audit, and you should always look for full audits to see more information, check for KYCs, things like that. So I can't say that this token is fully secure because only 77% of their tokens are locked and burned in the liquidity pool, and they only have the quick audit. So I wish they had more security information. So definitely, take it with a grain of salt. Do your own research before investing in this token. Let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.